In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the EVO indoor Wi-Fi security camera. It has 2K resolution that's clearer and sharper than 1080p, a wide 90-degree viewing angle, and it has two-way audio with people, motion and sound detection. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside the box, you get the following. The EVO indoor Wi-Fi security camera. It has two-way audio to check in with family, pets or warn intruders, 2K resolution to capture faces, objects and close-up detail in colour, infrared LEDs for night vision, and a LED indicator. Located at the rear is the camera's speaker and a USB-C power port. On the side of the camera is the reset button and the microSD card slot. Maximum card capacity is 128GB. Please note a microSD card isn't included. Located at the bottom of the camera is keyhole mounting slots and a QR code for device pairing. The camera can be placed on a table or shelf or easily mounted on a wall. With its flexible stand, you can freely swivel the camera and monitor your home from any angle you need. A USB-C power adapter and a USB-C power cable to power the camera. A drill template and a screw pack to mount the camera on a wall. A reset tool in case you need to reset the camera or to pair the camera. A theft deterrent sticker and a quick start guide. The quick start guide provides you with a camera overview, pairing instructions and camera placement. To pair and use the camera, download the Swann Security app for your mobile device to view the camera. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores. When you first turn it on, it will initialize itself, then go into pairing mode. Scan the camera's QR code and follow the steps to pair. After pairing, you can view the camera in live view mode. The EVO indoor Wi-Fi security camera is Australian designed and developed. It has lifetime support with a 2-year warranty and no monthly fees. Thanks for watching.